First thing you need to do is disconnect the battery. Now, I highly recommend you disconnecting the battery because you don't want to trigger anything for the airbag to just deploy in your face and knock all your front teeth out. Have you walk around like, no, seriously, just disconnect it and you'll be fine. You're gonna need a hub. You're gonna need a quick release hub adapter. And most of all, you're gonna need a steering wheel. Now, once you know you have those three major pieces, you're gonna want to remove this old piece. For 1993 Civic, there is 2 star bits on each side of the steering wheel. After you remove those 2 screws, then you remove the airbag. Ta-da! All right, once you get the airbag removed, make sure your steering wheel is straight. Then after that, you will need to remove this nut. For me, it's a 19 millimeter. That's the bolt. All right. All right. Bam. Steering wheel off. Horn is officially removed. I will not be running the horn in this car at all. First thing first is the hub adapter. Then after that, you will have your quick release, which is this. I already separated mine. So when you set it on there, it'll bolt straight up. Before you put the quick release hub on, make sure you put the bolt back on. I almost forgot about that. Torque it down to spec. Then you put this on. After that, put on the quick release. That's on there. Bam, now it's installed. If you daily your car every single day, I do not recommend running those hubs at all. Go ahead and get the NRGs. Me, since this car is going to be parked most of the time, that's the only reason why I'm running. All right, now it's time to show you the finished product. Now, if this video helped you out, please like, comment, subscribe. Remember, turn your dreams into memories, not wishes. And if you want this for free, hit me up on Instagram.